Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Sam here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. If you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also like the video. But anyways, guys, today we're going to be working on the F30. We're going to be installing a front end sport bumper, and I'm super excited about this mod because my F30 got every features that you could possibly get in the F30, but it doesn't have the end sport bumper, so that kind of sucks. But I didn't want to be repetitive since we do install a lot of bumpers like on Thomas E92, the E30, the E46. But with the F30, I'm just gonna vlog. It's gonna be more like a vlog style. The bumper's actually at the shop getting painted already. Well, it's already done. I gotta drive like an hour away to go get it, an hour and a half, and then I'm gonna head to my homie's house. We're gonna install it right there and maybe go to a car meet later on and get a couple pictures of the N-Sport bumper, guys. So I'm super excited about that. I am going to record a little bit of me taking the bumper off and showing you how to do it. But yeah, guys, let's get it. I'm super excited getting this front N-Sport bumper. Hopefully it looks more aggressive. Let's get it. Here are all the parts, the new parts that I gotta replace so the bumper can fit. But like I said, the bumper is at the shop, is getting painted. So I'm gonna show that later on in the video once I get to my homie's house and pick it up. So right now we're gonna just replace all this, take out the bumper, and I'm gonna ride like an hour and a half away bumperless. I know it's gonna look a little bit ugly, but it'll save me a lot of time just taking it off right here while I have the time. All right, guys, I got the car on the rails now. It's kind of sunny out here, so you might not be able to see good, but all we gotta do is just take this little strip out that comes in the bumper. Make sure you don't lose none of the parts, and also just take all these bolts, the T20s, T25s. Mine don't have this one. There's the other one. I believe that's a different size. And then it'll be like 2 bolts on this side, and then like maybe like 4 bolts under the bumper, and just disconnect the fog lights and maybe these corn lights. And that's all, guys. Let me go ahead and get right to it. It should be an easy process, and like I said, I do gotta drive like an hour away to pick up the bumper. So I'm gonna be installing it at my friend's house, so stay tuned for that, guys. I'm super hyped. I'm ready to get rid of this ugly bumper. And if anybody wanna buy this bumper, I don't know if you will want it, but if anybody wanna buy it, hit me up. I got it for the super low, maybe like $50, and it's still like in a great condition. I mean, this car ain't that old, so no cracks, no nothing. The paint's all perfect, so hit me up if you want. Okay, guys, I'm sorry I didn't record nothing, but I got all the new pieces installed, and now I'm about to head out to my friend's house. First I gotta pump some gas, guys, and I'm super excited. I'm sorry I didn't record a lot. I was trying to figure out where everything went, because it didn't give me no instructions, and I was looking at some videos and they didn't show this part, but all the pieces are on. I should have recorded it, so if anybody was watching my video and wanted to know where everything went, y'all could have seen it from this video. But like I said, I was just rushing because I am heading to my friend's house and pick up that bumper, guys. Let's get it. It looks really good. It looks kind of aggressive, but yeah, let's go. All right, guys, it's been a minute since I picked up a vlog, but I just got to my friend's house, and I'm kind of sad that I destroyed this little I forget what they call it, I don't know, the tire or something, but I destroyed it completely. So I'm gonna have to take it out and replace it with a new one. Also, with some parts over here, I did destroy the sensor that marks the temperature outside, so I gotta replace that. This is my friend 370Z. It looks absolutely beautiful. Look at his nice ass wheels. Like I said, he's gonna help me install my bumper. He used to have a Bmw E92 335i, which was amazing. Now he sold it to one of my friends, which he white body and painted in art gray. But let me know what you think about this 370Z, guys. I think he's about to sell it and get like a Bmw 435i. So I'm super stoked to have him as a Bmw friend again. But either way, this 370Z looks really good. All right, guys, so it's the next day. Things didn't work out yesterday. I was trying to install the bumper, but I was also hanging out with my friends, so I didn't really have time to install the bumper. I mean, we was down, but at the same time, when you're with your like car homies, you want to do like cruising stuff. So I was cruising without no bumper and stuff. So today I'm gonna go ahead and install the bumper. Here it is. Yesterday I was installing the grills and everything, guys, and it's absolutely beautiful, guys. The paint is perfect. Everything matches. Like I said yesterday, the paint matches, and I'm still upset that I broke the temperature sensor, but I just got it from SAP Euro, so that's coming in the mail. But right now I just noticed that I didn't connect the clips all good, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my time and do that. And once it's that, I can go ahead and mock up the bumper and see how it looks. Guys, this looks really good. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and mock up the bumper a little bit, see what we're working with the fitment. Oh my god guys, that looks so good guys. The paint is perfect. Thanks to Chris for telling me about this guy. This guy paints really good guys, especially with all the black grills. The paint stands out more with everything blacked out. And one thing I'm not gonna do guys is run fog lights, so I'm gonna go ahead and order the grills that delete the fog lights, and I already coded the fog light code out of the F30 with the Carly adapter, so no more fog lights. I just got this on for right now, so because I don't want to blank hole, but I am not gonna run fog lights. I'd rather have it like the F80s with no fog lights. But now I gotta go ahead and install this back up so I can have like the headlight washers. But guys, it looks really good guys. I'm super happy. Let me go ahead and see how am I gonna run this wire. Oh my god guys, that looks really good, and the fitment is really good guys. Jesus, look how the gap closes, how it matches. This fitment is really good. I got this bumper from Souvenir, so I'll have the links down below. All I gotta do is just tighten these bolts up. I'm gonna try to tighten it up, and then I'll close the hood, see if I get the same gap, and then I'll just work my way there. So let me go ahead and do that guys. But oh my god, shout out to Souvenir because this bumper looks really really good. Okay guys, so now I got it perfect. You see the fitment is the same as this right here, so all I gotta do is put the weather strip, black out a little bit of the white inside showing. So yeah guys, that's pretty much the N-Sport bumper. I'm super happy guys. This thing looks so aggressive compared to what it did in the beginning of the video. I'm super excited guys. I can't wait to take it for a car wash because my car is a little bit dirty and it's kind of cloudy, so it'll be some good time for taking some pictures for the thumbnail and also for Instagram. So let me go ahead and put that weather strip, and that's pretty much it for the bumper guys. Let's get it.
I'm the type to go and get the money. You the type to watch a nigga go out and get it. Ay, I'm the type to save my bread. You the type to go out and spend it. Fuck it, I need a crib with a view. I need a bad chick too. I need a couple foreigns outside, like damn, which one do I choose? I'm trying to make sure my mom is straight. Gotta make sure that the family good. Gotta make sure that we got a plate. That's how I know that we eating good. Cause I'm on the way right now. I'm making plays right now. We making waves right now. What can they say right now? I'm on the way, we making plays. I'm on the way, we making waves. I'm on the way, we making plays. I'm on the way, we making waves, yeah.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. I got too lazy to end the video last night, but here it is guys. Let me know what you think about this bumper. I think it changed the whole front end of the F30. My car doesn't look so girly now, so it looks a little more aggressive. So comment down below what you think guys. I'm super happy with the paint and also with the bumper fitment. I got it from Souvenir, so if you want to check out the links below. But anyways guys, I think that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thomas got some easy mods for the E92. He spent maybe like 300, and it's some performance and some cosmetic mods, so stay tuned for that next video. And also guys, we just got the E30 back from the mechanic, and it's 100%, so a video coming on the E30 very very soon. So I'm super excited guys. I got a lot of content coming out. But anyways guys, with that being said, it's been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.
Ways right now. What can they say right now? I'm on the way, we making plays. I'm on the way, we making waves. I'm on the way, we making plays. I'm on the way, we making waves.